Hi there and welcome back. This is just a quick kind of update video, and the monthly giveaway will be included in this video as well. So I just wanted to quickly say that both of these newer kits are now in Etsy. This is the Spring Bunny one. I have done a full flip through, which can be found on my channel, and thank you to everybody who's bought it so far. So that's just a couple of pages from that kit, and the other one which I've just put in today. I'm filming this on Sunday and you'll see this video on Tuesday. I've also done a full flip through of this kit, and it's called Woodland Walk. So again, just a couple of pages on that. Very cutesy. Okay. Oh, I got more out than I realised. Okay, so that's gone in Etsy today. I've just finished the April kit, which is called Serenity. It has gone up in the Patreon shop today. I'm going to film a full flip through of it after this video, which will be available on Patreon in the next day or two, and it will be up on YouTube in about a week. So that's what I'm working on. I'm also working on a pink kit at the minute. That will be, I think, May's kit. I think it's going to be called Rose Tea. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. And then I'm going to work on a kit, another kit, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. So that's kind of up to date on where I am with new digitals and what I'm working on. The pink one is obviously roses and tea. So that's that. If you've been watching the last week or so, might be 2 weeks now, I've been working on this lap book. It is finished, apart from getting the actual journals in, which I think I'll be filming well, sometime this week. So I thoroughly enjoyed making it. I forgot how much I enjoyed making these kind of projects. Obviously, to film them, they are, you know, I think this was 10 or 11 videos. So yeah, they're quite intense to film, and obviously for you to watch and you know, still be interested to watch it. So yes, I'm going to get that finished this week. Then it will be going up in Etsy. I will put a post up in Patreon to say that it's up. I've also got the couple of winter projects that I did, which I still haven't put in Etsy. So when I put this up, I will put those two journals, and I think I'd got like a bundle of ephemera and embellishments in the winter ones to put in. So that will be happening this week at some point. So as I was making this, I was thinking I would like to make myself one of these for me to use. And I think I would like it in botanicals. So I'm going to be creating a kit which is mainly portraits So you've got the height to do these taller projects. So, and the way I'm thinking of doing it is I'm going to create a first kit which will kind of do the bare bones of your folio. So all the, you know, the back panels, the pages for the actual journals, what go in it, and some large pockets. And I think I'm going to film it weekly, building it on Patreon, just to get some feedback of, oh, I wish this was in the kit, or I wish you'd have shown this. So by the time it gets on YouTube, the videos, there should be like 2 kits for it. I hope that makes sense. It does in my head. So hopefully on the side of doing the pink kit, I'm gonna start creating this lap book one. Now the reason for it is, if you remember, I made myself this journal, and oh, I've got a picture of me and my mum and Eleanor when she was little. I haven't as yet actually wrote in here. I've put, you know, these in. I've put this affirmation in here because that's something that I'm working on, and I've got some worksheets that I wanted to work on. I've also got a couple of books that I'm reading. I have put a post up in Patreon about it, and I just don't feel that this is going to cover everything that I'm doing. So I thought if I had a lap book, what I'd got like 4 journals in, and some big pockets with what I could have, not so much tags, more like spare pieces of paper and like post-it note type things. Then everything that I'm reading or wanting to make notes about would all be in one place, instead of me having, you know, this notebook up in here. I've got 2 more notebooks upstairs. I've got this one which I've been doing some of my, oh, that's me planning the lap book and kit, but I've been doing a lot of the myself work on myself in here. And then everything gets, you know, lost, thrown away when the notebook's finished, and sometimes I want to look back at these things. So I think a lap book would be perfect. I know everybody's not going to want to use it in the same way as me, but this would be great for, you know, you could have a recipe themed one. You could have all the stuff that you're interested in all in a lap book, and hopefully I can create a kit which will allow you to do that. So I'm really excited about it. I'm thinking I'm wanting something in this kind of theme, quite, you know, white with the green, so it's nice and fresh. So that's the vision for it. So what else have I been doing? After I finished the lap book on screen, we've got a week of making a ephemera. I've done it in the same genre as the lap book. So I've made lots of ephemera with packaging and leftover kit stuff. And I'm going to make a journal or 2 with those. So they're kind of upcoming projects. And as soon as I've done with the darks, I'm going to start doing some woodland journals. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to pause now, turn the camera around, and we're going to do the Patreon monthly draw. So I hope you can see the screen okay. I've got up the names of this month's paying Patreons, and there is 29. So I did say for every 10 paying Patreons I would give away one digital kit. Seeing as we're at 29, I will give away 3 digital kits. So if your name is called out, then preferably message me on Patreon. Let me have your email address and the name of the kit that you want, and I will send that to you. So I've got this random number picker wheel. I've put 29 in, so let's give it a spin, and we're going to be spinning it 3 times. So here we go for the first winner, and it is number 26. So if I go on here, if there's 29 of you, so that was 29, 28, 27, 26. So that is Jenny Carlo. So if you want to message me, Jenny, and let me know what kit you would like, I will email that to you. So we want to remove that choice and spin again. So the second winner for this month is 15. Okay, you're going to have to bear with me while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on Brenda, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's Mary Beth, oh gosh, sorry about that. Mary Beth McClanahan. Sorry about the pronunciation for your name. So Mary Beth, if you want to message me, and I will send you the kit that you want. And the final winner is number 3. This is not so much counting to do. And that's Sarah Tring. So Sarah, well done, and yeah, message me, give me your email and which kit you would like. So that is the February winners. I think that's I think we've caught up on everything. I've spoke about kits, what are out, what I'm working on on YouTube, and yeah, the Patreon giveaway. Like I say, when I've created the lap book kit, I will start the series off on Patreon, and anyone who's in there can give me suggestions as I'm working through it. So if something's not clear, I can, you know, clear it up in the following video. Or if they say, oh, I would have liked it if you'd have had a such and such label, I could perhaps then, you know, create what their suggestion and add it to the add-on kit. So I don't know how that's going to work. In my head, it's going to work fabulously. So we shall see. Thank you very much. It's now March. We've marched into March. February went in a blink of an eye. We are starting to get some nice sunny weather. It is only still 10 Celsius, but it's definitely been a lot brighter. We've still got quite a bit of rain. I'm still quite fatigued. I do think it's winter and the cold and stuff, so hopefully I will start picking up, but apart from that, everything is fine and dandy. So I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.